Hello and welcome to the personal AI assistant. So I'm going to give you a small overview, and since this one is fairly new to everything, I'm going to take it a little bit slow and explain what it's all about. So let's get started. So first of all, if you are a Blend Precisely customer, you will find your AI assistant at the bottom right now. And if you're not a Blend Precisely customer, this one will be an alone standing one somewhere up here. So you will not have access to any of the other ones. So basically, if you own Blend Precisely, it's available right in your menu bar at the bottom of everything else. And let's just go in. I'm going to show you around what's going on in here. So this one here is currently called Chatbot, and everything in terms of naming convention and so on might change still down the road. But for now, it's called the Chatbot. This is where you basically going to query all of your documents you have previously uploaded, and you will be able to retrieve all the information from your documents directly, including a reference. And I will show you that in a moment. When you start out, what you want to do is, first of all, upload all of your documents. And you can upload currently PDF files and .txt files. Those ones will be converted into a very small size, so you will have a ton of space available, and you will be able to upload up to 20,000 documents. In addition, you will see the file size that you currently have in here, and then also when you upload, this one will change based on how complete it is. Now, if you upload a whole chunk of files, I uploaded yesterday 123 GCMS reports, and of course that takes a little while until it is complete. It will show incomplete when it's still uploading, and you will also get a percentage here, 80%, 60%, 100% complete, whatever, wherever the document currently is. In between, you can click refresh, and then the new number will show up here. In the next one is business community and resources. This is where it just gives you the AI Studio access you have into our community, and you might be already in both of these ones. And then in addition, as a bonus, we added the art styles and the art style prompts, and those ones you can use in any kind of image, and I will show you actually in a moment as well. You can use those ones in the AI Studio, and you will be able to get over 300 different art prompts, so you can actually create something more effective for your marketing materials and workbooks and content materials than anyone else in the world currently. So in order to create or upload files, you just come over here to the Files tab and click Upload Files. And then you can choose, let me see if I do have downloads and this folder, for example. I'm not going to choose them right now, but you can basically, because I just uploaded them all, you can highlight them all in one folder and then click Open to upload it. If I would want to, let's see if I have another download right now to just show you. Just a second. Let's do this one, my goal planner. And I'm uploading it. So you can do one file or you can do multiple files. It says analyzing. Click the refresh button to see the progress. And if I click, oops, that was the wrong one. Click the refresh button. It's still uploading, so we have to wait a little bit. Or come back, in fact. It's a big file. Okay, let me, or maybe did I click something wrong twice? Let me just do this one here again. Open. All right. Click refresh. And it says 2 incomplete. And then here it says 249 files. And if you click refresh again, oh, you see here, they are both now uploaded with 100% and 100%. So I have the lead magnet business traction here and those ones. In any of these cases, in any of the files, if you go to page 32, 29, you can also say go to page 15, for example. They are all, you will be able to open them up all. So let's open one up, and here it is. You see the Palmarosa. So they open up from the Files tab, but they will also open up from the Chatbot tab. So let me just go to Traction Checklist and just query what are the constituents of Palmarosa. And then you click Send or hit Enter. Then this one will now go through all these documents and find an answer. And it might take a little while depending what it is, and then it comes back here with your answer, and it will also give you the PDF, and you can click it and you can open it up. Now you will find the data here in the file here. So let's see. 0.26 beta myrcene, limonene 0.21, 0.57, let's see, 0.26, 0.21, 0.57, 0.20, 1.88. Yeah, so they are all coming up here and you will be able to see them. And then you can just move on and query more files. How do I invite my members to my Go Brunch meeting, for example? Oops, Go Brunch meeting. And then it's hopefully going to find my standard operating procedure and will pull this one too. So no matter what kind of documents you have in here, you can query them all and you can upload them all. You can also look at them under your files. And here's the answer: to invite members to your Go Brunch meeting, follow these steps. And here are the steps. And then also here is my SOP, which is currently in here as well, available and to open up. So this is pretty much it. You keep on refining and looking for something that you don't know or you might not know where things are. And then also you will be able to work with your material and or go over to the AI Studio and work with your materials over there as well. So if I, for example, take my chatbot here, this answer, for example, the constituents of Palmarosa, and then I could come over here to maybe, let's go to my brainstorming tool and say, can you please let me know what families Palmarosa has based on these information. And then you can come down here and you just will send it off. Oops, come on over. And then it's thinking. Sometimes I think I'm too fast. Okay, with the thing. Based on the constituents, falls into the floral fragrance and it's high in geraniol content, which is known for its rose-like floral scent. Additionally, the presence of geraniol acetate further supports its floral and sweet aroma. These elements make Palmarosa an excellent choice for creating floral-themed blends in perfumery. So now this one, for example, you could use as a post for a social media, but you could also, what you can do is use the prompt, the image prompt, and let me go there for a moment, image creator, and see if we want to put Palmarosa, come back to your art style, and let's choose a beautiful one, maybe this one here. I'm going to copy this one over, put it in here in the art style of, and then I come back here and copy the art style out. The art style of bouquet. And this way I can create some different images, also some different text and so on. So you're really going to start working with your things from your documents. So let me just go back here, and here is the image in a photographic style, and then you can go from here. I'm not sure if Palmarosa actually looks like this, but you would need to double check that on your side. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Let me just look at something else. I just had to let the cat out. So here we can also now ask, for example, please give me a recipe or a formulation that contains geranium, and then let's see what it gives me. Oh, this one is moisturizing. Okay, with Palmarosa and geranium. And then let's see what else. Geranium and macadamia body lotion. And it has geranium in here as well, flower oil. I didn't specify if it should be essential oils or hydrosols or any kind of oils, but this one is a fragrance in here and one of the formulations I have. So you can just query the documents. It's very much your documents only, and you will find everything back you've ever done. And if you upload your documents, you can of course also delete them. There's currently no bulk delete option, but I would say upload 10 at a time, or as many as you wish actually, but just make sure that you don't try to double upload some. And if that happens, you should probably get a message. So we'll see how everything goes, and good luck. Bye.